Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to blend in Ibis Paint X. There will be two ways in this video and I hope you enjoy. So click on brushes and select the airbrush set to full thickness. Then you will choose your colors and put down the colors for the top and the bottom. And then select your colors for the middle and then place it in the middle, and you already have quite a nice gradient from the airbrush, but you can go back like I am right now and make it darker and just go over it with multiple layers, and it'll make it look a lot better. Keep layering until you're satisfied and everything's well blended. And there you have it. That's the first way to blend colors. Add some stickers, like I added some hearts, and you're done. So on to the second way. The second way will look something like this. I added a bunch of stickers on it, of course. And then you go to your canvas, take your brush, and then take your canvas, click the trim button, trim it into a small rectangle, and you can see it's a little bit annoying, but you will get it. It's quite easy after a little bit. You get your brush and you select your colors, or you can use pretty much any brush for this actually. You select your colors. Oops, I put it on black. And you lay your colors down, and this is easier to have multiple colors, and you can do much more than 3. So then you go to blur and you swipe down on your canvas, and there you go. It looks quite misleading, but really it's that easy. Swipe down, and hope you liked my video. Thank you.